Today I'm going to show you how to filter data in Google Sheets without affecting other users. This is incredibly useful when you're working on a shared spreadsheet and need to view specific data without disrupting what your colleagues see. Let's walk through this step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your Google Workspace dashboard where you can access all your files and documents. From the Workspace dashboard, locate and click on the spreadsheet where you want to filter data without affecting other users. This could be any shared document that you're collaborating on with your team. Once the spreadsheet opens, you'll see all your data laid out in front of you. Now look toward the top of your screen and click on Data in the menu bar. This will open a drop-down menu with various options for managing your spreadsheet. From this menu, click on Create Filter View. This is the key feature that sets this method apart from regular filtering. When you create a filter view, it only affects what you see on your screen. Other users working on the same spreadsheet won't see any changes to their view, which means everyone can work with their own custom filters simultaneously without interfering with each other. Let's create a filter to demonstrate how this works. For example, let's say we want to filter the data by ID. Click on the filter icon that appears at the top of the ID column. This icon looks like a small funnel and gives you access to all the filtering options for that specific column. In the menu that appears, click on Filter by Conditions. This allows you to set up more specific criteria for what data you want to see. Next, click the drop-down menu that appears and select Text Contains from the list of options. This condition will show you only the rows where the ID column contains the text you specify. In the value or formula field that appears, type in 1. This tells Google Sheets to show you only the rows where the ID contains the number 1. Once you've entered this value, click OK to apply the filter. Your spreadsheet will now display only the filtered results based on your criteria, but remember, this view is completely personal to you. Now you've successfully filtered your data without affecting what other users see. If you want to save this particular filter view for future use, simply click Save View on the right side of the screen. This allows you to quickly access this exact filter configuration whenever you need it again. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.